Hi there, this is Sieg with Ecommerce Business School. A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. We've got a very big, wide swath of free training for you. And we've been able to service people who are just getting started in the e-commerce space, as well as those who have advanced e-commerce businesses who are looking to take it to the next level. So we've served people from a very wide range, folks who just want to add some extra income into their family household, on up to folks who are re-careering. They want to find a completely different path to financial freedom, and that being able to travel the world and just work from a laptop. Totally doable and possible with the e-commerce model. So we've got that wide range of training for you, and the number of people that we've served from people who have been veterans, we've got stay-at-home moms, we've had retirees, we've had professionals, many people that we've been able to service through our community. So what you will find on our channel here is we have some basic training for people just getting started, and then on up to more advanced training. And that because we have a wide swath of faculty, trainers, and coaches and top students who contribute to our community on an ongoing basis. So feel free to go through all our information here. And also, please go ahead, look in the description for a link so you can join us in our group community page. We'd love to meet you there. All right, we'll be talking soon.